Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check what is the resolution of your monitor or your laptop display. So it's very simple. I'm using Dell Precision 7740 and the operating system is Windows 11. So go to Start menu, then go to Settings. Okay, then you can see option of Recommended Settings Display. Click on that display. Then you can see here display resolutions. Currently it is working on 9020 and 10080p. So that's the recommend display resolutions, and there is much more resolutions which is lower than the current resolutions. So my displays only support 9020 into 1080p, that means full HD. So if you have better display, then you can see here there is more values like 4K, up to 4K, or you have more than that, you can see up to 8K. So I don't know there is any laptop currently available with 8K. Actually the laptop is only support, this display only support with the full HD resolution. So in this way you can easily identify what is your display resolutions. And also you can do one more thing, that go to advanced display options, then you can see option of maximum support of your display is here. That's also 9020 into 1080p, and also you can see which display driver working on it. It is connected to Intel R UHD graphics 630, and I have two graphics card in this system, Nvidia graphics card also here. I will show that. Go to task manager, then performance, then you can see GPU 0 and GPU 1. GPU 1 is RTX 5000, RTX Nvidia Quadro RTX 5000. So I have two graphics card on these systems. So that's guys very simple tutorial. In this way you can easily identify which resolution on your monitor. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of PC or Windows tutorial, just comment below. Sorry, Mac or Windows tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.